Hey guys, so welcome to today's video where I'm going to teach you on how to change the refresh rate of your monitor. So it's very simple. So let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click anywhere on your desktop and then click on display settings here. Okay, once this pops up, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on advanced display. And then here, you're going to click on display adapter properties for display 1. And this will open the properties. And then here you're going to go into monitor and make sure this screen refresh rate is set to the highest possible refresh rate. Once that is set, you're just going to click on apply, OK, and now you've changed your monitor's refresh rate setting. So that's all for this video guys. It's a pretty straightforward process, and yeah, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's all from me. Thanks for watching folks.